Good day, everyone. Welcome to Senior Pablo TV. Today, our lesson is transforming general form of the equation of an ellipse to its standard form. Make sure that you watch our first two videos before watching this video. Let's have this problem. Transform the general form of the ellipse to standard form. Number 1, 3x squared plus 2y squared minus 6x minus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0. Number 2, x squared plus 4y squared plus 2x plus 8y plus 1 is equal to 0. So our standard form is equated to 1. So is equal to 1. So let's have that form, and of course, okay, let us write here our standard form. For HK we have x minus h squared all over a squared plus x minus k raised to 2 all over b squared is equal to 1. Studying our standard form, so equated to 1, we have a square of a binomial, and we have a denominator. So let us write this general form into standard form. So let's try number 1. Let us copy our given. 3x squared plus 2y squared minus 6x minus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0. Now let us rearrange. So 3x squared minus 6x plus 2y squared minus 12y. Then after arranging, addition property of equality, move positive 15 on the left side, that will become negative 15. Notice that we have a square of a binomial. That means we need to have a perfect square trinomial. So let us regroup. Quantity 3x squared minus 6x plus blank plus quantity 2y squared minus 12y plus blank is equal to negative 15. We added a blank here and another blank, so we need to add on the right side to make our equation balance. Now, after regroup, notice that we have a common factors. In this case, we have a common factor of 3. So we have x squared minus 6 divided by 3, 2x, plus, copy the blank, plus, in this expression we have 2, then y squared minus 12 divided by 2, 6y plus blank is equal to negative 15 plus blank plus blank. Now, the tricky part here is we have a common factor, unlike in our circle. So, we need to focus on our right side of the equation. We have a common factor of 3 here, so we need to put 3 here, then multiply on the blank to make the expression a perfect square trinomial. And also, we need to multiply 2 here to the number that will make this expression a perfect square trinomial. Now, let us make this expression a PST. So copy the common factor 3 to make this a perfect square trinomial. Get the middle term, that is negative 2, divide by 2. Negative 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 1 square, so that is 1. So we multiply 1, we added 1 here, so we need to multiply 1 here. Next, in this case, the middle term is negative 6 divided by 2. Negative 6 divided by 2. That is negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. So we need to write also 9 here. Okay. Now, PST, make it as a square of a binomial. So, x, copy the sign of the middle term, square root of 1 is 1. Then, square. Plus 2, y, minus square root of 9 is 3 square. Is equal to negative 15, let us simplify, plus 3 times 1, 3, plus 2 times 9, 18. It's like solving a standard, general form is standard form of a circle. But in this case, we have a common factor. Now we have simplify our right side of the equation. So 3 x minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 times y minus 3 raised to 2. Just copy. Is equal to negative 15 plus 3, negative 12 plus 18, positive. Negative 12 plus 18, positive 6. Okay. Notice in our standard form, equated to 1. So we need to divide our equation by 6 to make our equation equal to 1. So we now have 6 divided by 6, that is 1. So in this case, 3 divided by 6, so we have 2, then copy x minus 1 squared plus 2 over 6, so we have 3 as denominator, then y minus 3 raised to 2. This will be our standard form. So if you want to get the center, the foci, the vertices and co-vertices, apply our lesson in the previous video. Now your assignment. Try answering number 2. Thank you for watching Senior Pablo TV.